Introduction. Our group suggests educational courseware, which is an introduction of motherboard quiz as an innovative educational solution to enhance and attract users in learning the subject technical support and maintenance for information agencies. Here, this quiz also provides a few things or questions that are related to this subject, such as motherboard component and its function, chipset of motherboard, installing the motherboard, and others. In addition, the product that we propose also can improve user skill in order to understand the basic knowledge, especially about the motherboards. This is our educational courseware product, which is Quizzes. What is Quizzes? Quizzes is a free and online tool. It can work at any type of device such as web browser, iOS, Android, and Chrome apps. People can access hundreds of ready-made learning quizzes or create your own question inside this app. Statement of problem number 1. Deficiency of knowledge in this course. Lack of awareness in technical support and maintenance study. Interest in this course may be warranted if schools started to expose students about IT skill and computer maintenance. Even in the rural place, establishing a computer hardware and software can be great exposure for both teachers and students. Statement of problem number 2. Malaysia need more fresh graduates under this scope. The lack of professionalism, technical support and maintenance are because high school graduates will not want to pursue in this field as they have no idea in this matter. Our country are a bit behind in IT skill or computer maintenance sector. We need to improve this problem started today. Statement of problem number 3. Lack of IT skill being exposed to the world. It could indirectly attract scammer attention to trick people in order to pay more than they should. Moreover, if people could understand how IT program works, technology could become less frustrating and reduce more mistakes. For the solution of our problem, we decided to choose an application called Quizzes. We choose this application because it is easy and fun to use. So in this application, we have created a set of questions about our topic, which is introduction of motherboard. So in this video also, we will show on how to use this application.
So for our novelty or uniqueness of solutions for our quizzes app is, the first one is time questions. Okay, so for our app, there should be a specific time to set for answering any questions, and then the user should be allowed to change the timing as per his or her choice. So the user are able to answer the questions within the time frame. And then the next one is customize the quiz. Okay, so the admin who is in charge of the quiz applications, they can customize the questions of the quiz to keep the player interested. And then the third one is display correct answer after the quiz. Okay, so after the time of the answer ends, and then the correct answer to the questions asked should be displayed to let the user know whether he answered the questions correctly or not. And then view report page. Okay, so after the quiz ends, a report page should be displayed showing a number of questions answered correctly and vice versa. So the user they will know their scores based on the report given. And then next one is different level of quiz. Okay, so the user should be availed with levels of the quiz. It should start with easy, medium, and hard. And then the user can always keep stages for quiz, increasing the difficulty level. And then this one is based on the user preference, whether they want it to be easy, medium, or hard. And then next one is multimedia based quiz. Okay, so for this quizzes app, the quiz can be either in text or it can be image or video format, as well as for making it fun and user interface. So this will attract the user as well. Thank you.
Hello, madam. My name is Veronica Nubur and I'm going to present about the commercialization potential. So what is commercialization potential? Commercialization, it means the act of bringing new items or services to the market, while the potential is the demonstrating or processing the ability to develop into anything in the future. The commercialization potential for this application is it can be used by anyone, whether they are students, teachers, or even the public. Due to this pandemic, we are adopting entirely online. So this application, it may assist users in developing abilities, forming emotional bonds, and learning the fundamental of this subject. So this application creation allows teachers or the lecturers to utilize it in the classroom, since this teaching style encourage pupils to stay focused throughout the class. Not only that, throughout the learning process, the teachers or the lecturers also get a feedback from each of the students. Thank you.
So, conclusion for our video presentation is, in order for us to understand and to know about the components of motherboard, is we need to learn first. And we already prepared the quizzes for everyone, especially IT students. Quizzes are one of the platforms which students can easily gain knowledge about motherboard. While learning and studying about motherboard, they can answer the questions from these applications or this website. We hope the student can take advantages from this website or application or gain some knowledge from it.